Hi, my name is Cindy, and you're about to watch an amazing transformation from one of our happiest clients, Dejan. Dejan decided to go with a two-tone hairstyle that provided him the look that he's so used to. Typically, in a situation like this where he has gray at the bottom and a dark rooted color at the top, we always suggest dyeing the gray to the Hairsystem color, or vice versa, picking a hair system that matches the color or gray percentage of your hair. Regardless, we always take our clients' preferences as a priority. Our goal is to make sure you walk away happy and confident, just like Dejan. He loved his M100 color 11B with 10% gray and that two-tone color. So now let's see this amazing transformation.